Alright, we're loading up for the airsoft war. Somebody hold this camera and film it for a second.
Hold on.
You got a hat on? Okay, come here, Missy. Got these, got that, got that stuff.
Alright.
Come on, Missy.
My face mask.
Come here. Okay.
This is my ammunition. I'm gonna leave my phone here. No, I'm not.
That is awesome.
Working?
Alright, you filming? Good.
Hey, what do you got? Oh, you got something out of your pocket.
Alright, Mom. We're gonna.
Alright, look. Make sure you're going to work. Shoot it in the water.
That way.
Alright, come on.
Well, we're gonna go somewhere first. Like we're gonna go that way, and we're gonna.
Not going through the culvert today.
Alright, we'll all walk to one spot, and then we'll spread out.
Alright, here, take this.
Alright, we'll walk to one spot.
Come on, let's go, Lulu,
I gotta get my ammo.
Come.
Take this so I can get my ammunition.
Do we have enough ammunition?
I don't know.
You have your
CO2.
Aaron, James, do you have CO2? Get extra CO2. Get 2 extra things and put them in your pocket.
Oh, James, you might want to put up your hood too. That'll help protect.
2 things?
Yeah, and hey, get extra ammo. You got your extra ammo package?
Where is it? Oh, there.
Okay, wait a minute. I have my gun. Is it firing? And it's not firing.
Just keep shooting.
It'll fire. Grab her a green sweater, please.
Yeah, are you going to walk the dog?
Grab her a green sweater, please. Is your gun firing?
That'll work.
Here, shut the trunk. Shut the trunk.
You do this.
I can't, dude. I have the camera.
James, go shut the trunk.
Don't hurt.
Alright.
Is there a fort?
Aaron, come here.
Is there any forts?
No.
Is there any forts?
Kind of.
Like, is there any tree houses up here?
Kind of.
Yeah.
They're not in the trees, really.
Don't.
My gun's not firing.
Just keep shooting.
I will, like I did earlier, but it's doing the exact same thing.
Yeah.
Mom, I need to keep keeping it. I'm going to start keeping it upstairs.
What?
My gun's staying upstairs from now on.
Battery, Mom.
Yeah. So what is?
The cold is bad for the battery.
Yeah. And if you get up there, you gotta move all that crap underneath your bed. So you know you're up there or whatever.
Hold the camera. Aaron, hold the
When we
camera.
go up over here, we're gonna make sure there ain't nobody around with a gun. Okay? So I can hear them.
Are you sure you're wearing yours?
Yeah, this one's mine.
Okay. Hold this gun for a minute, please.
Oh, wait. Yeah, this one's mine because I have a big, huge scratch right here.
Okay. Why is mine not staying up?
Because you always unbuckle it when you put it on. You're supposed to just slide it over your head.
No, you're not.
Yeah.
Dude, you can take it out and put it back in, and then warm it up by like hugging it or something.
It'll fire.
No, just try that. It'll be way easier. Hey, can't we use that?
That's easy enough for me.
There's 300 rounds in that?
Yeah, well now there's like 280, but whatever.
My old's like 48.
Alright, let's see your face mask. Okay.
Mine is a single shot.
James, you film for a minute.
Alright. Ready?
Hold this.
We're gonna head down this way. Come on.
What I'm going to shoot
Actually,
one.
we're gonna head this way. We're gonna.
And I'm heading wherever you're heading, so that's all that.
Hey, Gail. Can you hold the camera and like film us?
Not really.
Just hold the camera. Just hold the camera while I put on my face mask, please. Because, yeah. Flapjacks. Flapjacks.
Yeah.
Which way did tighten the face mask? How do you tighten these?
I don't know.
You can't.
Yeah, you
Yes,
can.
you can.
Oh, here.
I don't know which way you tighten it though. No,
Hold it. Put it in your pocket.
no, I'm good.
Here, hold this.
Alright, give me my gun.
Yeah.
Got it.
Come on, you better start shooting each other.
No, we're not. We're going. Why would we just start shooting each other? That's stupid. What? We're not just gonna run around and shoot each other. Quit wasting ammunition.
Oh my gosh, dude, don't worry about
We're
it.
going down to a position over there. We're gonna head this way. Alright, we're gonna. Hey, Mom. Hey. We're heading this way. We're gonna go over into the valley. This valley, the same one you're going to,
Yeah.
but we're gonna cut this way. Mom,
Mom, we're going the same way you're going.
we're going to
just
the same
this
place
way.
you're going. Just let us walk this way. Alright, you walk down that path. Alright, you walk down that path. Just don't follow us.
Get him, Lee.
Can you please just walk down that way?
No, I won't. So that's your answer.
Then we're walking down that way. Come on.
What, you don't feel like we're gonna be safe?
Yeah.
Who knows?
Dad always let us walk by ourselves.
Walk it. I don't give a damn what your damn message is. Got it?
Okay, well this is all
Mom,
on
we're
a
fine. You
YouTube
can see
video.
us from
so you
right
might
over
not wanna
there.
say anything else.
Freaking idiot.
You can see us from right over there.
Seriously? Why?
Come on, we're going this way now. Alright. So far, this is just
Your mama looks
moving to where we're doing airsoft, so I'm going to turn off the camera right now till we